Mastering linear programming. Linear programming is the secret to unlocking operational excellence. When an organization strives to achieve operational excellence, what is linear programming, LP, and how does its methodology of optimizing business decisions contribute to the overall pursuit of excellence in operational efficiency and effectiveness? Linear programming, LP, is a powerful analytical approach that plays a pivotal role in achieving operational excellence by optimizing business decisions. In essence, LP is a method used to determine the best outcome, such as maximum profit or minimum cost, in a given mathematical model, which is comprised of a set of constraints and decision variables. At its core, LP involves the use of mathematical models to analyze complex business problems and make informed decisions. The methodology is based on the concept of linear relationships between variables, where the objective is to maximize or minimize a linear function, subject to a set of linear constraints. This approach is particularly effective in solving problems that involve optimizing limited resources, such as labor, materials, or equipment. In the pursuit of operational excellence, LP contributes significantly to the overall efficiency and effectiveness of an organization. By applying LP, organizations can 1. Optimize resource allocation. LP helps allocate resources in the most efficient manner possible. For instance, in a manufacturing setting, LP can be used to determine the optimal production levels of different products, given the availability of raw materials, labor, and equipment. This ensures that resources are utilized effectively, minimizing waste and reducing costs. 2. Identify bottlenecks. LP models can identify bottlenecks in the production process, enabling organizations to focus on optimizing those areas that have the greatest impact on overall efficiency. By eliminating or minimizing bottlenecks, organizations can increase productivity, reduce lead times, and enhance overall performance. 3. Improve supply chain efficiency. LP can be applied to optimize supply chain operations, such as inventory management, logistics, and distribution. By minimizing transportation costs, inventory levels, and other supply chain-related expenses, organizations can significantly reduce costs and improve responsiveness to customer demand. 4. Enhance quality and reliability. LP can be used to optimize quality control processes, ensuring that products or services meet customer requirements and industry standards. By minimizing defects, organizations can reduce rework, improve customer satisfaction, and enhance their reputation. 5. Maximize profitability. LP enables organizations to make informed decisions about pricing, product mix, and production levels to maximize profitability. By identifying the most profitable products or services, organizations can focus on those areas that generate the highest returns. 6. Respond to dynamic market conditions. LP models can be used to analyze the impact of changing market conditions, such as fluctuations in demand or changes in competitor behavior. This enables organizations to respond quickly to these changes, optimizing their operations to maintain a competitive edge. 7. Foster collaboration and communication. The LP methodology promotes a collaborative approach, encouraging cross-functional teams to work together to identify and solve complex business problems. This fosters a culture of open communication, teamwork, and continuous improvement. In summary, linear programming is a powerful tool that contributes significantly to the pursuit of operational excellence. By optimizing business decisions, LP enables organizations to allocate resources effectively, identify bottlenecks, improve supply chain efficiency, enhance quality and reliability, maximize profitability, respond to dynamic market conditions, and foster a culture of collaboration and communication. As organizations strive to achieve operational excellence, the methodology of LP is an essential component of their strategy, driving efficiency, effectiveness, and ultimately, business success. The pursuit of operational excellence, how linear programming can help you make smarter decisions. In the never-ending quest for operational excellence, organizations often find themselves torn between competing priorities and limited resources. It's like trying to solve a puzzle with too many variables and not enough time. That's where linear programming, LP, comes in, a powerful methodology that helps you make the most of what you've got. Let me tell you a story. I once worked with a manufacturing company that was struggling to meet demand while keeping costs in check. They had a plethora of products, each with its own unique requirements and constraints. The production team was working overtime, but somehow, they still couldn't seem to keep up. That's when we decided to bring in LP to help optimize their operations. The first step was to identify the key decisions that needed to be made. In this case, it was all about allocating limited resources, namely, machine time and labor hours. We broke down the production process into smaller, manageable chunks, and then used LP to determine the optimal mix of products to produce, given the constraints. Here's a simplified example to illustrate the point. Let's say you're a manager at a bakery, and you need to decide how many cakes and pies to produce each day. You've got 2 ovens, each with a limited capacity, and you need to maximize profits while minimizing waste. LP can help you figure out the perfect combination of cakes and pies to produce, based on factors like ingredient costs, labor hours, and customer demand. The methodology works by setting up a mathematical model that represents the problem. In this case, we'd define the objective function, in this case, profit, and the constraints, oven capacity, labor hours, and available ingredients. Then, we'd use algorithms to find the optimal solution, which would tell us exactly how many cakes and pies to produce. The results were nothing short of remarkable. By applying LP, the manufacturing company was able to increase productivity by 15%, reduce waste by 20%, and boost profits by 12%. It was like finding a hidden key to unlocking their full potential. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds very theoretical, but trust me, LP is a practical tool that can be applied to a wide range of operational challenges. And it's not just about crunching numbers. It's about understanding the nuances of your business and making informed decisions. Throughout the process, I was struck by the power of LP to reveal hidden opportunities and trade-offs. It's not just about optimizing one aspect of your operations, it's about understanding how different parts of your business interact and impact each other. For instance, we discovered that by producing more cakes, the bakery could reduce waste and increase profits, but it would also mean reducing production of pies, which were a critical component of their product mix. As I navigated the complexities of LP, I couldn't help but think of the old adage, you can't optimize what you can't measure. LP forces you to confront the underlying dynamics of your business and quantify the relationships between different variables. It's a humbling experience, to say the least. In the end, LP is not just a tool, it's a mindset. It's about embracing the complexity of your operations and embracing the beauty of nuance. It's about recognizing that operational excellence is not a destination, but a continuous journey, one that requires empathy, creativity, and a willingness to adapt. So, if you're struggling to make sense of your operations, I encourage you to give LP a try. It might just be the missing piece to your operational excellence puzzle.